Hey guys, this is CMA Pradeep Dhyani, your teacher, your mentor, guys. Many students are worried about the strategy, how will be the strategy for clearing the CMA foundation. So guys, in this particular video, yes, I will tell about the Brahmastra strategy to clear CMA foundation in June 2021. By hook and crook, every student need to clear CMA foundation in June 2021. This will be your first and last attempt for giving foundation. After that, you need to take admission in CMA Enter. So guys, please follow the strategy. You can also make your own strategy, but this strategy I followed in my foundation and cleared my foundation. So guys, this is the strategy. This is the simplest strategy and Brahmastra to clear CMA foundation. Let's start the video. So guys, we have 4 subjects in CMA foundation. Paper number 1, we have economics and business, which is purely a theoretical subject. And paper number 2, we have accounts and costing, which is a practical subject. Paper number 3, law, purely a theoretical subject. And paper number 4, stats and business, which is a practical portion. So guys, we need to segregate MWF, TTS and Sunday 3 portion. MWF, TTS and Sunday. So guys, MWF, you need to take in one subject in one day. You need to take 2 subjects per day, one theoretical, one practical. So in MWF, you need to take 2 subjects. Paper number 1, economics and business, which is a theoretical subject, and math and stats, which is a practical portion. So guys, you need to, in economics, in MWF, 5 pages per day. For business, 5 pages per day. For economics, this will be sufficient for one day. And for math or stats, 30 questions per day. MCQ, you know that this MCQ 5 minutes per questions, 5 or 10 minutes per question. So MCQ based question, every day you need to practice 30 questions per day. 30 questions per day, topic wise or questions wise, you can do as per your convenience. So 30 questions per day, 20 or 30 questions per day as per your choice. So if you follow this strategy till 30th April, you will complete your paper number 1 and paper number 4. Now let's move to the paper number 2 and paper number 3. So guys, paper number 2, we have a practical portion, accounts and costing, and paper number 3, we have a law, which is a purely a theoretical subject. So law, for law, 10 pages per day, 30th April, with one revision you will complete your 100% syllabus, 10 pages per day. And for accounts, most of the student in 11th and 12th already have good command over accounts. And yes guys, lot of, you can say that 70% syllabus you already studied in 11th and 12th. Few topics are new for you guys. If you have a problem in those particular topic, just write the topic name in YouTube and you got the lot of videos and take the help from those particular video. So guys, yes, this will be the strategy and Brahmastra to clear CMA foundation by hook and crook in June 2021. So guys, still if any student are facing in any subject, he can comment me. Surely I will help you on those particular student on those particular subject. Suppose any student facing problem in accounts, any facing math, any facing law, any facing in business or economics. So guys, but I am requesting that you need to clear your foundation. In foundation, we need not to take pressure, we need not to take any tension. Foundation is only to know the concept, to understand the concept and enjoy the life. In inter and final, we need to and grab and we need to spend too much time. In foundation, we need not to spend much time or need to much spend one any attempt. In single attempt, we need to clear our foundation. So guys, this will be a strategy I am revising. In MWF, 2 subject, 1 theoretical, 1 practical. 5 pages per day, 5 pages per day for economics, 5 pages per day for business. 20 to 30 question for math. In MWF, you will follow with 30th April, you will complete your whole syllabus of paper number 1 and paper number 4. For TTS, law, 10 pages per day, and accounts, you can do portion wise, yani topic wise you need to complete, because in 11th or 12th you have already studied those topics. Few topics are new for you. You can easily understand from YouTube. So guys, till 30th April, I am expecting that each and every CMA foundation student who are appearing for June 2020 should or need complete his 100% one time syllabus from 1st May 2021 to 31st May 2021. I will come up remaining 31 days strategy, which is also beneficial for you guys. So till 30th April, I am expecting that each and every CMA foundation student should clear his one time revision for 100% revision. Guys, if any student, if a single student have problem in any subject, if any have economics problem in math, in accounts, in law, you can comment me. Surely I will try to help those students on particular subject. So with these strategies and motivational strategies, I will ending this video. In this particular channel, I will come up such kind of motivational strategies video, study plan, how we can do individual subject. In particular this channel, you will get lot of videos for CMA Inter, Foundation or Final. So guys, I am ending up this video and I am hoping that you will follow this strategy and clear by hook or crook. You will clear your CMA Foundation June 2021 exam. Thank you so much guys. Bye guys. Love you. Keep enjoying and keep Keep healthy, keep stay.